everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to make Ecwid website. So guys, the first step, log in into your account and sign up with the free account, and click here your name of shop name and your country and your currency, and click next. After that, click your town and you click your state, as you can see here, and click next. Add this business address to receive your payment and set up, and click method next. After that, guys, write this answer question, as you can see here, and you are creating store for third party now, and click next. And this is how you can do to set up this and click your website if you have website, and if you not, click yes. This is how you can do, and you have get started for free. And this is dashboard, as you can see here, guys. This website opened successfully, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.